Hello everyone. Today we are making a warm and cozy tomato pepper soup for the snowy winters. It's not just tasty but healthy too. We need 1 spoon of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns and 5 garlic cloves. Crush them together in a crusher or in a blender until it's a bit chunky. Now let's get cooking. Heat up a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil in a big pot. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and let them pop. If you like, you can add 1 more tablespoon of cumin seed, 2 to 3 red chillies and 2 chopped ripened tomatoes. Close the lid and let them sizzle for 3 minutes. Then goes 1 tablespoon of turmeric and roast until the tomatoes get soft and mushy. This might take 3 to 4 minutes. Now mash those tomatoes with a masher. Next, take half lemon sized tamarind, soak in 50 ml water and squeeze out the juice, or you can use 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. Pour this tangy water into the pot. Add the crushed spices and a small branch of curry leaves, or just 10 curry leaves, and an extra 100 ml of water. Sprinkle in some salt for taste. Let it all cook together for 4 minutes. Finally, add a few coriander leaves for that extra flavor. Give it a good mix and it's ready to serve. Hot tomato pepper soup. It's not just a tasty side dish, you can enjoy it as a soup too. Stay warm and cozy. Happy cooking. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like if you like the recipe. Thank you for your time. Namaste.